Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases, which will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. And you may notice there's only 2 collections here, and that's because this week is a pop mystery week. If you weren't here for the last one, the pop mystery will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday, and then it will be gone. And it is a pop culture kit that I've had the art finished and I want to release to you. And this was the one that was the most requested, and whenever I said I was not going to be putting up anymore, they were like, but you mentioned this before and I need it. So I'm putting this one up next. I already did give a hint of the year that it was released, and that is 1982. And I will put the colorway here, and it's also a sci-fi movie. So that is where I am at with the hints for you. I feel like with that, you could probably guess what it is. Plus, I've also said previously that I was doing a kit for this, and y'all was losing it. It will be available in Mini and Ultimate, and there will be all of the normal extras, which is functional, label, ombre, and doodle, along with the extra color. So that'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday. And then let's go through the regular releases. I'm so excited because this week I told y'all I was going to be releasing some new Kittenish Girl Jess exclusive art, and I haven't done any of that besides pop culture in so long. So very excited to see what y'all think. First things first is I do have some Scribblers. This was what Kirsten requested for her freebie, was just kind of a cutie with a ponytail, kind of just thinking. So this is number 44, and it will be available in all 6 options for the Scribblers. We do have some new characters this week, which is fitting because whenever you see this, I will be on my way to Disney. And they are Shelly Mae, Duffy, and is it Alame? I always forget how to pronounce it. So you have 82, 83, and 84. 3 of the little friends, Duffy and Friends. And then we have a color of the week, which this color I actually pulled from a kit. And I mentioned pulling it from a kit whenever I released the kit. It's this blue color here. So if you have that kit, that is the blue color this is. And I think this color is gorgeous. The color of the week is the same thing as the pop mystery. It's going to be available Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday, and then it won't be available. There is the buy all bundle option for the doodles. So if you select that, you will get 1 of each of the 13 sheets. And then the a la carte option, you can pick up the scribbler of your choice. I usually have about 4 of these made for myself, and I just am obsessed because I feel like in one spread I usually use half of them. So that is the color of the week, which is gorgeous. The next thing in here is the newest bougie, and this is the Twinkle, which has very little shimmery twinkle bits, perfect for pairing with all of your Twinkle bundles, but I think also would look good with confetti. It's one of those underlays that I think would go with so many different kits because it's very neutral, and this will be coming in gold, silver, rose, hollow, and sparkly hollow. Now we have a very, oh wait, no, I'm just kidding. Well, this is fun too. But I have 5 new foil bundles coming to the shop, and I'm just doing the core of the punk bundle. I do have other foil colors coming of this, but I just like releasing the core first. So these will be available on Wednesday, and they will be special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday. They will be $9.95, so that is a deal. So this is the gold, the silver, rose, hollow, and sparkly hollow. I'll go ahead and go through the silver with you. This was the kit that came with the 9-year bundle, but that was in the sparkly black, which I will have extras of in the future. But this is just shown in silver, so you get 2 pages of those. You get the really fun punk underlays, the newer icon page, and then the bottom washi fancy headers, deco, date numbers, and etc. page. So those will be available again Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I would definitely stock up while they're on a deal. The next one, like I was saying, is a very requested reformat of a mystery, probably one of our most popular mysteries last year, and that is 90s Grunge, and it will also come in a mini kit. So let's go through the ultimate. I don't think I changed up too much in this, but also I don't remember. I think her hair's a little different because we do have fan boxes in the add-on options. This kit was very popular. I think it would look so fun with the punk bundle in silver, in hollow, in sparkly hollow, and the sparkly black when it comes back. And I think it'd be so fun because I feel like Obviously, the punk bundle was not available when this was released, so I feel like that would give it a whole new vibe. I don't remember, I'm trying to think of what other colors it came in, but there might be other colors that match really well too. So we will have to wait and see. But again, this was like one of the most popular mysteries last year. So you have functional if you want to add it on, doodle, label, ombre, label 2, which is the black. And then you also have fam options. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is 90s grunge. And then last but not least, like I said, I am so excited about this kit. This is exclusive art by Kit Jess, and like I said, I haven't done a non-pop culture exclusive art, and even that, I don't think I've released one since like last year from Jess directly into shop. Usually I save her art for mysteries, but this one, it's a little bit more niche, so I didn't want to put it into a mystery just in case you didn't like the theme. But I think this theme is so fun, and I think Jess did it so well. I told her it's one of my top 5 favorite kits she's ever done. For sure. I think it's so cute. She went in with the details, and I love it. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? It is a wax, well, it's called that Wax Lover. It's a Wax Lover kit, and I am obsessed with it. These colors, the aesthetic, the wax. I feel like it's kind of like, not like super, like there's like, these 2 boxes are like very Wax Lover, but the rest of it could just be like kind of like really cute home. But I love these colors. I love everything about it, the details. So you have this cutie here, you have the tea light warmer, the melting basket, the cotton swabs, a little like Fruit Loop clamshell, a clamshell like holder, this cutie here, you have cutting the wax, you have a really cute scene, and then you have just like the accord warmer, and then also a candle warmer. I'm obsessed with this. Foil wise, you could do hollow, you could do lavender hollow, you could do sparkly hollow. You could do, from Hannah, I think, pink tie-dye, purple hollow, pink hollow might even be fun, a coral. There's just so many options. How stinking pretty. And then right here, you do have the Happy Meal as well as the little wax wish list in the planner and all the wax laying around. I love these colors. I love the patterns. I love every single thing about this collection. You have the little room extra box scene here and some extra boxes here as well. So it's kind of like this one has, instead of the electric warmer, there's a tea light there, and then you have a fashion flat lay as well. But I am just obsessed with this, and again, this is exclusive art, so you will not find it anywhere else, and I just am in love with it. If you're a wax lover, I feel like you're going to be obsessed with this kit, and maybe even if you're not, you might still think, hey, she's cute. Also does come in a mini kit, and then there are add-on options. So there is the functional, the ombre, the label, and then there's 2 label add-ons. There's like this really pretty orange color, so it's 2, and then 3 is the light blue. You have ombre, and then you have fashion. So the fashion, you have a tall box here, so cute. You have this box here, which is like less wax orientated, and then you have just the fantasy wax open on a laptop with like a little planner and the wax sitting around. And I think that that is so fun. So 2, 3, this is literally Kirsten, 4, 5, and 6. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to use it. Are y'all obsessed? I just love it so much. There's more Kit Girl Jess art coming to the shop, like not to mystery, because I have so many really cute ideas that I'm like, we need to do. They're kind of niche, so I don't want to throw them in mystery just in case somebody won't like them. But I need to do them because I think that they're going to be gorgeous, and I am obsessed. I have so many like arts that are just from all different artists that are coming that I'm just like, oh my God, people are going to be losing it when they see this. And also don't forget about the pop mystery coming this month. As far as foil goes, I would do silver or matte bronze. You could do like an orange or a navy, but I think I would stick to silver just in case you feel like you're very sure of what the theme is. But leave your guesses down below. I feel like you guys are going to get it pretty easily. And it is definitely a theme that I don't think, like the last one, which was Princess Diaries, was for everyone. This one I don't think is going to be for everyone, but I feel like everyone has probably seen this movie. So that is all for now. I'm stretching, I'm tired, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.